What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Cardano because once again we are forming here interesting trading setups that I want you to know about. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, and also if you are interested about the exact price that I think Cardano is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. Here we are forming this falling wedge, which is a bullish setup. So right now I'm waiting here for breakout and then support confirmation for a first potential long trade. Entry in this case will be above this resistance line, and stop loss in this case you want to place under this falling wedge, because in case of a breakdown and then resistance confirmation, the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Your last take profit targets you can then place above these bearish order blocks, which are between levels 1.24 and 1.20, which will give you risk reward ratio up to 6.68, and that's in my opinion really good. Of course, this is not gonna be your final risk reward ratio, because in a trade like this you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you will take like under this bearish order block, which is between levels 1.13 and 1.12, then for example under like this and this previous heights, this bearish order block, and then you will save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio will be more like 4 something like that, which is in my opinion still a really good long setup. If this coin will continue in this falling wedge, so we will be forming here something like this, then I am waiting for a liquidity creep under this bullish order block, which is between levels $1 and 0.972. So in case of a breakdown and then support confirmation, I want to place the stop loss under the low that we will create during the fake out. And the last take profit target, again, you can place under this bearish order block area, which will give you in this case potential profit around almost 27% of a net market, and risk reward ratio almost up to 8. But of course it will depend on how big the potential stop loss will eventually be. Again, in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you want to take under these previous lows, then something under this bearish order block, under this previous lows, this second bearish order block, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in this case the risk reward ratio will be more like 5.5, which is better scenario than this first setup. But keep in mind that for this trade to be valid there needs to be a drop around like 12% of a net market. The main reason why I am placing the last take profit targets above this bearish order block is actually on the 12-hour chart, because here we are having this really important resistance area, which is between levels 1.236 and 1.182. And in my opinion, if we are gonna take liquidity in this resistance area, then there is pretty high probability that we are gonna take liquidity above, because a lot of people will be placing stop loss from their short positions somewhere above this previous high. So we just gonna take the liquidity. So yeah, that's the main idea why I am placing the last take profit targets above this bearish order block. The next potential position, this time on the 12-hour chart, will be valid in case of a huge drop, which means that if we are gonna take liquidity under this bullish order block, which is between level 0.760 and 0.720, then there can be another potential long opportunity, but the drop needs to be around like 33% of a net market. So if we are gonna get there, I will be definitely doing another video. And if you are interested about some really short term trading positions, then you should check this on a 30-minute time frame. Also, I want to say that if you want to copy my exact trades, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing my analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But you can see that on the 30-minute chart, we are forming here this bullish order block, which is between levels 1.059 and 1.0 0. And in case of a liquidity grab and retest of this support of this falling wedge, this can actually be a good long opportunity. Stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, so the stop loss will be around like 2%, and the last take profit target you can place either under the resistance of this falling wedge, which means that the price will do, for example, something like this. There will be a liquidity grab and we are gonna retest this resistance area somewhere around here. So the potential risk reward will be like 1.8, which is actually not that great. Or if you want, you can speculate here for a breakout and then retest of these bearish order blocks, which will give you much better risk reward ratios. But both of these trading scenarios are kinda good. If we are gonna notice that like this is a scalp trade, it will probably take at least like a couple of hours, but then the position will be closed. So risk reward ratio like 3.3 or like 1.8, 1.7, something like that is actually not that bad. And of course, we like really don't have to retest this support. There simply needs to be a liquidity grab. So if the liquidity grab will be really small, the risk reward ratio, of course, will be much better. And we can, for example, get risk reward ratio like 5.4, something like that, which is another absolutely awesome trade. So yeah, guys, this will be all from me for today. If you like my videos, I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to my YouTube channel so you wouldn't miss out on the new ones. And I will see you next time. See ya.